Hello guys, what is going on? I tell you what, it's so warm today. Welcome back to the channel. It is 12 degrees. So today I'm going to do a day in the life. Right, so I am in the unit, basically. So I'm gonna crack on and put my AirPods in and go to work. Should only take me about 5 minutes, I reckon, if not. Alright, so here's the aftermath. Let's go. Right guys, I'm on the way to the first location. Ooh, it is a care facility. So I should get there in about 35 minutes. It is around dead on 8:30 actually, so I should get there about 9. I just got to the first location. I'm gonna have to be really fast because I'm blocking about at least 20 people in. So let's go. Right guys, I'm now heading to the dealership. Bit of a drive, so it should be fun. Bye. Didn't film much in there because there was about 18 people in the break room, so you only got a short clip, and there was no money in the coin thing because I emptied it the other day. So yeah, bye. See you at the office building next. Right, I'm at the last location, the office building. There's normally always people in this break room, so it's going to be difficult to film. But I'm going to try my best. I always pretend like I'm just filming like there's something wrong with the machine, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, there's a coffee machine in here that I'm going to have a look at too. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye. I always end it like I'm on a phone call. This is my second trip here. I've already done this once. Just had to go back to the van. I've already done the coffee machine. Now I just need to do this again. Got to end the video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you are new. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. Yeah, and I am uploading. I'm going to try and upload 3 times a week. 3 times a week. At least 2, but I'm going to try and upload 3 times a week. So hit the post notifications. Peace. Bye.